Meaning of datacomms.
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 Datacomms. Datacom stands for Data Communications, which refers to the transmission of digital data over a computer network or communication channel. This can include a wide range of technologies and protocols such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and TCP/IP. The purpose of datacomms is to enable computers and other devices to communicate with each other, exchange information, and access network resources. It has become an essential part of modern business and everyday life, allowing people to connect from anywhere in the world and share data, media, and applications with ease.